English Grammar Nouns Lesson 3 Possessive Nouns Part 1. Possessive nouns are used to show ownership or possession. Ownership is the act of owning or having something. Singular possessive nouns add an apostrophe and s at the end of the noun. Let's see a few examples. John's book, Carrie's car, grandmother's mirror, Audrey's hat, Sophie's dog, Bob's shoe, Linda's house, William's hammer, Andrew's nose, Monica's room, Joyce's boss, my friend's party, the student's homework. Plural possessive nouns that end in s. Add just an apostrophe at the end of the nouns. Let's see a few examples. The kids' toys, my parents' house, the teacher's lounge, the student's cafeteria, my brother's room, the bird's nest, the cat's litter box, my sister's clothes. Okay, let's go into the possessive nouns quiz. Which of the following is incorrect? Options: A. I lost Andrew's hat. B. I broke my grandmother's mirror. C. Linda's house is brick. And the answer is I lost Andrew's hat. Which of the following is incorrect? Options: Sophie's dog is mean. My mother's dress is pretty. David's keys are missing. The answer is option C. David's keys are missing. Which of the following is incorrect? Options: the teacher's lounge is full. The kids' toys are broken. My parents' house is huge. And the answer is my parents' house is huge. My dash room is messy. Options: brother apostrophe s. Option B brother. Option C brothers. And the answer is option A brother apostrophe s. I am going to my dash house. Options: parents, parents at the last apostrophe and parent apostrophe s. And the answer is parents apostrophe at the end. Because here the parents represents the plural. My dash party is boring. Options: A friends, option B friend apostrophe s, and option C friend. And the answer is friend apostrophe s. Here it's represent only a singular noun because we are referring to a friend party. Catherine's and dash bikes are new. Options: A Holly's, B Holly, C Holly apostrophe s. And the answer is option C Holly apostrophe s. Dash boat was stolen. Options: A David's apostrophe at the end, B David apostrophe s, and C David's. And the answer is option B David apostrophe s. The dash homework is late. Options: student apostrophe s, option B students, option C students apostrophe s. And the answer is option A student apostrophe s. And again here we are referring to only a singular noun, which is only a student homework is late. We are riding in dash car. Options: A Carrie apostrophe, B Carrie apostrophe s, C Carrie. And the answer is option B Carrie apostrophe s. In next lesson we will see about the possessive nouns part 2.